let's focus our attention to the physical property tab that gives us settings on how our material is made. Now we can help ourselves with the preset menu that contains a list of fabric that are already uploaded in MD. And if we take a quick look at them, so just open the drop down menu. You can see that we have all kinds from very stiff to very soft. Now we have used this before. For the parts we have used the full gain leather type, and a quick glance to the list and we can already see that we have some sort of zero here. The letter D in front some materials as well as letter R and S. Now this is not by coincidence. For instance, 0 here default fabric is some sort of basic fabric that has basic physical properties that we normally use in the beginning when we are creating our outfit, and we just want a basic simulation that will simulate quickly. So it will produce some wrinkles but definitely not those to our end results, since it's aimed to quickly simulate a sort of preview. Now with R letter in front of the name resemble the real fabric physical property since it's gone through test. So for instance, if we choose R chiffon, that's right here, it should resemble the real physical properties of chiffon. Now unlike the fabric with the letter D in front of them, these are the simulate faster since they're not completely lifelike. So once you making your outfit and you are in the beginning, you can for instance use D chiffon to simulate faster, and once you are done with the outfit and ready to make your final simulation, you can switch to the R chiffon and we can actually take a look how this looks like. So let's go for the D chiffon and let's simulate, and as you can see it getting very stiff. Now watch what happened when I switch to the R chiffon, and as you can see I got lot more details and the fabric has much more details than before. And last not least, we have these three fabric with the S in front. Now these are made for the non-fabric type of things that we make in MD. So for accessories we also use S full gain leather for our parts. So if I change this top to full gain leather, you will see why we usually don't use these fabrics since they are very stiff. While I am working, I like to use D cotton very often since it produces a lot of wrinkles and it's very loose. As you can see, it already fell down here a little bit. And D cotton is very good for collars because they stick out and it makes a fabric lot stiffer. And we have already established that rib knit is very soft kind of fabric. It's loose and having down a lot. Now you also noticed that each fabric that uploaded also has a list of property that we can access on to do the detail, and we will take a look at in the next clip.